Kevin. Just got done sharing my heart at Newtown Middle School, Newtown, Connecticut, and it was a true honor to come and speak here and share some heart, bring some healing, and just try to reach some people at the heart level. The topic today, the 7th and 8th graders that I spoke to, was all about kindness, character, respect, and responsibility, knowing that we as citizens of this planet have that responsibility to show kindness, that Gandhi has said, not just be the change you want to see for this world, but that we must be the change that we want to see for this world. And MLK, Dr. King, saying that the time is always right to do what's right, and what's right is to see everybody for their heart before anything else, as big as our fist, and to see people, like the shirt says, for one race human, like you see your best friend, for what's on the inside before anything else, as human beings before anything else. And by doing that, showing those acts of love and compassion and having that empathy for one another, to treat them like you treat your brother and sister, then we can actually overcome some of the pain, the hurt, the loss that's in our lives. And I got to stay for some of the lunches too at the school, and just some of the youth that had reached out to me, that some of them were in tears, and I say tears are a sign of our strength, the start of healing and feeling again. Just shared that they've been a little bit bitter and have gotten bullied in the past themselves, and so they've chosen to shove people or sometimes hurt others through their words, but now they're choosing to help heal hearts, to become those healed people that heal people, not the hurt people who hurt people, both of which are choices. And our tongues, which have no bones, they do a great job at breaking hearts. We can be on the other side of that and help to heal hearts.